Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales strategies with ConvertKit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with verifying sales strategies using ConvertKit, log in to your ConvertKit account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the ConvertKit website and signing up. Once logged in, navigate to the Forms section in the left sidebar. Here, you can create a new form to capture leads. Click the Create New button and choose between a form or landing page. Select the template that best suits your niche and brand. Customize the form by adding your branding elements, such as colors and logos. Next, add a compelling headline to grab the attention of your audience. To verify your sales strategy, create an email sequence that nurtures these leads. Go to the Sequences section and click Create New Sequence. Write engaging content for each email that addresses the pain points of your audience. Be sure to include calls to action that encourage readers to take the next step. Next, link your form to your email sequence. In the form settings, find the Incentive Email option and configure it to send your sequence. Once everything is set, test your form by filling it out yourself. Ensure that you receive the verification email and that the sequence triggers correctly. After confirming everything works, promote your form on your website and social media channels. Monitor the performance of your email sequence under the Automations tab. Look at open rates and click-through rates to assess engagement. If you notice low engagement, consider A/B testing different email subject lines or content. Use the data you gather to refine your sales strategies continuously. Regularly check in on your metrics and adjust your approach as necessary. This process will help you effectively verify and optimize your sales strategies using ConvertKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.